Hi everyone, so this lesson is maths. Today in maths we are going to learn about showing our tens and ones with numbers going all the way up to 50. Now this might sound a little bit scary, but you've actually done this before with smaller numbers, so it's just going that little bit higher. Some resources you might use to help you are these funny things that we keep coming across recently. These are called base 10. So you've got your stick, which is the 10, and your ones, which are these little cubes. You might use Numicon. You can draw Numicon if you don't have Numicon at home, obviously. So you might use Numicon to show your tens and your ones, or even your tens and your ones. You might draw a tens frame, so that looks a little bit like this. If it's a big number, don't forget though that you're going to have more than one tens frame. So if you're drawing out some tens frames to fill up grown-ups, it might be worth drawing 2 or 3 on the page. You could even go up to 5 if you're feeling brave. Okay, you could also, one last thing, use your part-whole model, which looks like this, to split your tens and ones. We'll look at one example from each way so that you can decide which one you find easiest. Then you can carry out the worksheet from home. So let's start with base 10. I'm going to show you how to draw the base 10 because a lot of you probably won't have it at home. So I'm going to pick a number between 0 and 50. I'm going to pick the number 27. The number 27. So I know, looking at my number 27, that the 7 are my ones. So that means I have 7 ones. So I'm going to draw 7 ones. Then, looking at my number 27, I have 7 ones and I have 2 in the tens column. So this would be my tens column and this would be my ones column. So I have 2 in my tens column, which means I have 2 lots of 10, which is 20. So I'm going to draw my 2 long sticks because each stick represents 10, which means the number 27 can be shown in base 10 like this. 20, 10 and 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. That's base 10. Let's have a little look at Numicon. So I'm going to choose, what number should I choose for Numicon? Might go a bit higher, I might choose the number 40. That's a big number, 42. So I write my number down, I have a look at it, 42. You can either start with your ones or your tens. I don't think it matters which way round you do it when you draw it. I'm going to start with my tens this time. So there is a 4 in my tens column. Ooh, I rubbed out. There's a 4 in my tens column, so that means I need 4 lots of 10. Don't forget I'm doing this in Numicon, so you can actually draw the Numicon too if you can remember what it looks like, or grown-ups could have a little look on the internet to find a picture of it. So I'm just drawing my Numicon. It's going to take me a minute, so just bear with me please. It doesn't have to be perfect. Whoop. So the number 42 has 4 lots of 10. So I have got 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 10. Now in my ones column, I've got 2 ones. Now there's 2 ways I could do this. I could do 2 individual ones, so 2 of these, 1, 2, or I could draw the Numicon 2. Numicon 2. So that is the number 42 in Numicon. The next way I'll show you is with part whole models. So you could have a number at the top, let's choose 36. That's the top of my part whole model, the number 36. You then split your part whole model into two, and one part, so this side will be your tens, and one part will be your ones. So I see from 36 that I have got 3 in my tens column, so my first column. That's 3 lots of 10 is 30. 10, 20, 30. So I could put a 30 this side, showing my tens. And 36, I have 6 ones. So a 6 would go in my other side. The last way I'm going to show you is using tens frames. I'm going to draw a few, so just bear with me one moment. I'm going to choose the number 22, I think. So I have written my number at the bottom, 22. It's not my best handwriting. I'm sure you can do better, year one. So 22, to fill it up, we have got 2 lots of 10 to make our 20. 2 lots of 10. We know that each full tens frame makes 10. So I need to fill up 2 lots of 10 to make 20. I'm just going to do crosses in mine. You might use counters, you might use practical resources to help you if you could draw out some tens frames, or you could draw it, it's up to you. So 2 lots of 10 full makes 20, so that's our 20. And in my ones column, I have got 2 ones. So I'm going to fill in 1, 2. And that shows the number 22. Now you've got a sheet that's got some similar questions on it, so now that I've given you a bit of a clue, you should be able to go away and try some of these yourself. Have a lot of fun, and I'll see you later. Bye.